Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded a makeup tutorial. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I achieved this makeup look. This makeup look was super easy to create, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Starting off with my eyebrows already slayed, okay? The first thing I like to do is prime my eyelids. I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow base primer. I just bought it and it actually got the job done, but you'll see in a second. The eyeshadow palette of choice in this video is the Morphe 35V eyeshadow palette. I just bought this palette too. I love the colors in this palette. This palette has glitter and it also has matte shades, so you already know it had to come home. The first eyeshadow I'm using is Spice and I'm using it as a transition shade. I'm blending in Spice all over my eyelid, so that's on the crease, above the crease, and right below the crease, just a little bit. Spice is a really pretty brown color. Like, you can just use this eyeshadow with eyeliner and mascara and your eyes will look absolutely stunning. I really do like this eyeshadow color, so I'm pretty sure this will be the first eyeshadow to run out on this palette. I really do like this shade. Next, to define my crease, I'm using the eyeshadow name In The Zone. This is a darker brown compared to Spice. This shade right here is going to intensify my eye makeup. Like, this shade is a bold statement and it blends beautifully with Spice already. From what I've seen, the eyeshadows in this palette are very pigmented, which I love. Now I'm just blending in the two colors together. I didn't use any additional product. Just whatever was left on the brush, blending in both the colors together on my eyelids. Moving on to cutting the crease with some concealer. I like to use LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut the crease on my eyelids because this concealer is not a thick liquid concealer. I use this concealer in all of my makeup looks. Every time I put on makeup, I use this concealer. The final shade that I'm using from this palette is Scandal, and I'm going to apply Scandal right on top of the cut crease that I created. I'm packing this eyeshadow color on top of the created cut crease. See how the eyeshadow color literally appeared on my eyelid right at application? Amazing. I'm loving this palette right now. This palette was a good buy for me. So at the very top of my cut crease, I'm blending in all of my colors together. Basically, I'm using this blending brush to blend along my crease. I'm blending along my crease so that the top of the cut crease that I created is not as harsh. Doing this will create a pretty color gradient on my eyelids. Using Morphe's eyeshadow primer initially may have contributed to this beautiful color payout. I want my eyeliner to be sharp, so I'm using some tape. I'm using a liquid eyeliner pen by Eyeko. This is the first time that I'm using this product and it got the job done. It's like your typical liquid eyeliner. Lately, I've been trying different eyeliner pens from different brands because the pens are more precise compared to brushes and it's less messy. Eyeliner pens definitely make eyelining your eyes so much easier. My eye makeup is just about done. I went ahead and I applied false eyelashes off camera. Now we can move on to face makeup. So let's move on to the rest of my face. Using my Maracuja oil by Tarte. I like to use the Maracuja oil in the winter time because I have dry skin, so I don't need my makeup cracking on my face. We don't need all of that hard work to be ruined by a dry patch. Now, priming my face for foundation. This primer is also awesome and it smells wonderful. I know I've said that in a few of my videos, but seriously, aside from the wonderful smell, it does great with my overall face makeup. Now I'm going to highlight and contour my face. I do have a detailed tutorial on how I highlight and contour my face. Definitely check out that video. I will connect my highlighting and contouring tutorial to this video, as well as providing the YouTube link down in the description. But of course, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Alright, now watch me slay. Alright, we are just about done. Now applying my favorite blush. Next, eyelining the upper and lower waterlines of my eyelids. And then applying mascara to my lower lash line. You know, I can't forget my shimmer. So now I'm highlighting the high points on my face. And to finish off this look, I'm applying one of my new favorite lip glosses from Lancome. And that's it. There you have it. That is all on how I achieved this look. I think it's super cute and pretty easy to create. This is honestly on the level of wedding makeup, but I'll wear this look every day outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye.